My name is Shamsher Singh and I'm a chef in Royal Australian Air Force. As a chef, my job every day in the kitchen is like plan a menu and then cook for hundreds of people and look out. Sometimes we run the show, like run the whole day of shift. And when we do that, we have to watch out, making sure all the staff is doing their job and tracking the time and doing multitasking at the same point. And we have to meet the deadlines, like we have put the food in on time on a servery, and then we feed on a servery as a team, like multiple people. So we have multiple kitchen in here, like we have a main kitchen where we feed like 14 to 1500 people, and then we also have an in-flight kitchen, which is a different section where we provide air power to the flights, and we feed and send the meals to all the air squadrons and to the flights, air crew, to the pilots. The main job role in flight is you have to watch out all nutrition, meals and diet for the pilots getting a different diet and the air crew getting a different diet. So this is something new we learn over there, and we prepare meals and send them away to the different squadrons. I've been loving cooking since the beginning of the day. Since I was a kid, I was like watching my mom cooking, and then I started cooking in the early age, and people will start giving me compliments on my food. So I was like, why not change into a profession? And I jumped into CV life and start working in the cafes, restaurant, and end up working in the big mines by serving hundreds of people. And then I made a transition in defense, and since the day one, I'm loving it.